you can see how fast this vehicle is moving on the left-hand screen.
Landing burn has been ignited. We're now down to 3 Raptor engines. We can see those chopsticks now in the air.
Good morning everyone, this is Yuji Yamane known as Maneko and broadcasting global trend and news every morning like this. So if you like it, please click like and subscribe to the Okay, it's raining in Sydney like this, it's very wet. Yeah. The time is 9 o'clock and it's 15th of October. Okay, today I'd like to talk about SpaceX's success, which was happening yesterday. Okay, let it go. SpaceX achieved a historic milestone in spaceflight on 13th of October 2024 when it successfully caught the returning Super Heavy booster of its Starship rocket using massive arms dubbed Chopsticks as the launch tower, marking a significant achievement in rocket reusability and bringing the company closer to its goal of interplanetary travel. The groundbreaking test flight of SpaceX's Starship rocket system took place at 7:25 a.m. local time on October 13, 2024, from the company's Starbase facility in Boca Chica, Texas. After stage separation, the 232-foot Super Heavy booster executed a controlled descent back to the launch site, where it was successfully caught by the launch tower's massive mechanical arms nicknamed Chopsticks, approximately 7 minutes after liftoff. This marked the first ever attempt to catch and recover the Starship booster directly at the launch pad, representing a major leap forward in SpaceX's pursuit of rapid rocket reusability. The Chopsticks arms, part of the launch tower dubbed Mechazilla by Elon Musk, are a part of enormous metal appendages designed to catch the descending 232-foot stainless steel booster. This innovating and catching mechanism required precious coordination with thousands of distinct vehicle and part criteria needing to be met prior to the catch attempt. The booster decelerated from supersonic speeds before being embraced by the powerful arms, demonstrating SpaceX's engineering prowess in achieving controlled landing of massive rocket components. The successful booster catch was met with a jubilant reaction from SpaceX employees and executives. Kate Ties, SpaceX manager of quality system engineering, declared it as a day for the engineering history books. While company spokesman, the Town Hall, exclaimed, "Even in this day and age, what we just saw that looked like magic." NASA Administrator Bill Nelson congratulated SpaceX, emphasizing the importance of continued Starship testing for future Artemis mission to the moon. This achievement represents a significant step for SpaceX's goals of rapid rocket reusability, potentially revolutionizing space access by reducing cost and turnaround time between launches. The successful Starship test flight brings SpaceX closer to its ambitious goals of supporting NASA's Artemis program for lunar missions and eventual crewed expeditions to Mars, with NASA having commissioned 2 Starships to land astronauts on the moon later this decade. The rapid reusability demonstrated by booster catch could significantly accelerate the timeline for these missions. Elon Musk envisions Starships as a key to making life multi-planetary, with the ability to transport people and supplies to both the moon and Mars. This breakthrough in a rocket recovery technology may pave the way for more frequent and cost-effective deep space exploration, potentially revolutionizing humanity's access to and presence in the solar system. Okay, let's do some chit-chat. Yesterday, I was so happy because we won the soccer match. We are losing 1-0 and we scored 3 goals for the last 2 minutes. And I scored the first goal, which was really good. That was 5 minutes before the game ended. It was a nice game. It was pouring rain yesterday, but yeah, I didn't want to go, but I went there and yeah, I could score, so it was really good. I felt really happy. Yeah, so that soccer is 6 versus 6 over 35. I'm the one of the oldest there. Yeah, and we didn't have any serves, and then we played against the second team and we won 3-0. 3-1, yeah. That was really good. What you gonna do today? It's a bit wet here in Sydney. I have not much plan today. I got a few meetings. I have to take my daughter to a cheerleading class for tumbling lesson, so she needs to practice for the tack. I thought she can do it, but she says she can't do it, so she has to kind of master it within a week. So let's see how it goes. Yeah. So it's a bit wet here in Sydney, but yeah. Did he just take a photo? Take a photo. Is it? I think he took a photo automatically. Oh, why? Just wonder why. Yeah, so that's pretty much I wanted to talk about. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Have a good day. Bye.